Lockdown e go tshwere ka vice grip. Mme coronavirus yone. Ga ke batle go bua. Sala ko lapeng ko mme o tlhape matsogo. O retse jaaka Tshekedi Monyemore a go rwantlhantlha ka metlai. Hey, Facebook Tshekedi Monyemore, install on Twitter Tshekedi_money.
Ladies, if you knew what you have, the power of what you have, you'd be ruling the world right now. There's something special about you that you guys have. Every guy, where you see that thing. I'm telling you guys now. Let me make an example. According to me, this thing that's special that you have, the Transfer Local Stock Exchange, Bilabi. So this thing is so special. Let me make an example here today. All the ladies tonight who are buying their own drinks and are independent, make some noise for yourself. Low, not the ladies that are buying your own drinks and are independent. I literally very decent to you. That's why you're buying your own drinks tonight. Mama ene, vamos rekela. Utseba huiseverisa. I think this thing should be moving new scenes as a Toana one day. Just do me along. Lina Laka is Santana eating Kiwa snacks semachil. Mohota economy. Kumbichanuko JSE. Utaka Yakuko E. Lagomudi Magaranda Unopedi. Mia Pipion and Murila Pofat. Ladies and gentlemen, so join us at this company in power. Then not say very much at this company. Came out very kiss my dollar. You don't want to go Pula Motoya Pula.
Molla tela mo Facebook. Tshekedi Monyemore. Diso company in Taba. Menna Kyar. Diso company. Came out to a kiss my dollar. Au kilo abona.